Today on the channel, we're checking out some of Bellroy's light packing solutions. These are the newly released light packing pouches and the light packing caddies. Let's jump in and check them out. Let's start with the light packing pouch. The light packing pouch comes in two sizes. This is the 2 liter. The 2 liter comes in at 19 by 14 by 5 centimeters. It's obviously 2 liters and it weighs 50 grams. The 3 liter comes in at 25 by 22 by 7 centimeters. It's obviously a 3 liter capacity and it weighs 61 grams. Taking a look at the light packing caddy, it comes in at 30 by 18 by 8 centimeters. It's 8 liters capacity and it weighs 80 grams. Its bigger brother comes in at 35 by 21 by 10 centimeters. It's a 10 liter capacity and it weighs 109 grams. Jumping back to the light packing pouches. So this is the 2 liter, this is the 3 liter. Let's have a look. Okay, so on the exterior, we've got a Bellroy logo. We have these little loops for zipper operation. Nice zipper here. Okay, so the 2 liter is made from 90% recycled nylon, 5% other materials, and 5% non-recycled nylon. Let's open it up and have a look. These are very simple products. I've put socks in this one. Let's see how many socks we got. I reckon maximum 5. Got 4 in there very easily. Taking a look at the interior, we have some webbing here for a bit of structure, I think. It's not lined, so it's very, very lightweight. And it's just a really simple, small packing pouch. Taking a look at the 3 liter. So it's the same pattern, it's just a little bit bigger, an extra liter. Let's see what we've got in this one. So got 2 socks. I have underwear, 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 underwear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 underwears, 2 socks. That's the 3 liter. Now let's take a look at this bad boy. This is the 10 liter packing caddy. The exterior, same fabric, Bellroy hit on the front. A bit of a call out here. We have a grab handle up here, and we also have a little loop for the zipper so that you can open and close that nice and easily. Again, very simple product. Let's have a look at the composition. Again, 90% recycled nylon, 5% non-recycled nylon, 5% other. So let's see what I've got in this one. Okay, so here I have 2 t-shirts. Got a jumper, pair of trousers and board shorts, and that's what I got in there quite comfortably. You could probably get a little bit more in there. I didn't overstuff it, and I just found our little owl here. Nice little touch. Having a look again, we are not lined, so it's as light as it can be. Yeah, there's really nothing to see here, guys. It's a very simple packing cube. Let's take a look at its little brother. Here we go. We've got a different colorway for this one. Nice rusty red. So exactly the same pattern, just a little bit smaller. This is 8 liters. And let's see what I get in this. T-shirt, t-shirt. I really didn't fold them very well today, guys. Sorry about that. Another t-shirt, another t-shirt. Another t-shirt. Yeah, some say low. We got 6. Also, we're very grey. So we're going to be Captain Boring on this trip because it's all grey marl and that's all you're getting from me. So 6 fits in there easily. And there you have it, guys. This is some of the light packing solutions from Bellroy. A nice addition to their travel range. Links in description. My name's Daniel. We'll see you in the next one.